Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm trading NASDAQ futures. I'm waiting for the market to open. It's currently 8:27 a.m. Central Time. Market opens in just about 2 minutes or so. FOMC stuff is later today at 1 p.m. and 1:30. There's going to be Fed funds rate, FOMC, Jerome Powell. So I'm not sure how much action we'll have today. Before then, I'm hoping to catch at least a couple of good trades, maybe within the first 2 hours of market open, and then maybe price action just dies down until later this afternoon. But just got to wait and see. Be patient like always. So stay tuned, and let's see what the market can give us today. Okay, so I had to try to figure out how to get the new NASDAQ contracts, NQ, with the new expiry. So I missed the bottom part of this trade like I was trying to get into, but I think I still got room for 10 points here. Now I have to get my charts all set back up with the range and everything. Go back up into the range a little bit more, give me the 10 points, come on. There we go. Alright, at least I got a good winning trade off of that, so now I've got to set my charts back up here. Alright, let's see if we can catch a nice little short right back down for 10 points. Looks like we're kind of rejecting VWAP and the EMAs. Alright, might add another contract there. The 5 minutes looking kind of weak. 15's looking kind of weak. Let's see if we can get that nice push down. Alright, let's see if we can reject from the 50% level of this opening range. Get a nice 10-point drop. Let's see if we can get that. I got 2 contracts right now, betting that we get a quick drop. There we go, 4 points. See if we can get a little bit more of a drop there, get this 10 points in. Come on, 5 points. Can we get 10? Can we get 10? There's 8. There we go, 10 points.
The crowd always is. Do you want to be with the crowd, or do you want to be with the professionals?
Alright, let's see if we can catch 10 points back to the upside here.
The tape tells you everything. It doesn't whisper, it shouts.
Back into that range. 7, 8. Come on.
When prices are rising, the market is telling you something.
Come on, 10 points. There we go. That's a nice 10-point trade.
And yet, what do traders do? They argue.
777 in the green so far today, just trading this range.
It is not because they lack information. It is because they lack.
I'm going to go ahead and get in here, put my stop down here just in case.
Every side of fact or the side of vanity. Consider what happens when you buy on opinion. You think a stock is low. You believe it must rise. Plenty of them. I would say to myself,
okay, it looks like the bulls can't get us back up just yet. Let's see. We retraced quite a bit of that wick there on the previous 15-minute candle. So let's see if this candle or the next one can push us back up into the middle of that range.
It is the crowd panics. They dump their shares at any price. And who is buying from them at the bottom? The professionals.
Alright, I just got stopped out for a pretty big loss. So now I'm only in the green, $139. Well, it may continue down now. So I'm going to move this range out of the way. We may not be staying in that range for now. We may be dropping on down to that demand zone on the 4-hour. Pretty strong momentum so far.
Just as the professionals are quietly accumulating. How many times must you repeat this before you learn?
So I'm going to go 10 points short.
Not because they lack intelligence.
Thinking we might drop on down to that pivot point down there.
Each member of the crowd looks for confirmation.
We've got strong momentum on all these time frames to the downside now, so. Alright, come on down just a little bit more. Come on, come on, come on.
Reality always wins. You may deceive yourself for a week.
It looks like that 4-hour candle is looking pretty strong, so it may come down here to this demand zone.
Because human nature never changes.
Stop at break even. I'm out. Protect what little profits I have there, just in case we get held up here.
Satisfy your vanity, but does it pay your bills? Prices are
Okay, we are in a downtrend on all these time frames.
And the market is always bigger than you. Always. So, whose side do you want to be on?
I still think we might hit that demand zone.
Consider what happens.
We're going to go for 10 more points towards the downside.
You believe it must rise.
We kind of got a little bear flag here.
And then the price drops.
So I'm going to just trade with the momentum.
Your opinion whispers. It is only choosing my opinion over price. And every gain I made came from surrendering to fact. From respecting the evidence at the table.
Stop at break even just to protect what little profits I have. Can we get the 10 points? Can we get the 10 points? I think we can.
Until it wipes them out. They will
push it on down.
The facts are humiliating. To admit the tape is right means to admit you are wrong. And
push it. There we go.
More than being wrong. But what is pride in this game?
Finally, I'm back up in the green decent. $333.
Or do you want the man who makes money is not.
Alright, so now I'm watching this current 5-minute candle to see if we can get a nice green doji to form, which it looks like we're trying to so far. 2 minutes left on that candle.
In this business, the amateurs want to be right.
And then I'm trying to just wait and see
Which are you?
some kind of sign of strength
As I speak these words,
from this level on this 2 minute.
and tomorrow you will
We're forming dojis on the 15 right here, so
you will sell a stock.
the downtrend has slowed.
You will forget that price is
So I'm going to go ahead and take a long here for 10 points.
Do you know what he said after he was ruined?
Okay, 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle there.
The market wasn't wrong.
So I'm going to try to catch a long up to the top of that wick here
Ask you this.
at 24,436. I think that's a good target.
That stock can't go lower. And it did. That stock is too high.
Alright, I took it off. 13 points on that trade. We could keep going.
Outmatch reality.
I'm going to put a line here to see if I would have been right.
Every loss I suffered in those early years came from
Right at the top of that wick there. I think we will hit that, but it could take several candles.
respecting the evidence.
And after being up 700 and something and then back down and then back up to 597,
They will cling to a loose
I'm just not trying to sit in some trades too long because I'm pretty much about done for the day.
It is because you are wrong.
Okay, we got a kind of a weak close there on that 5-minute candle.
Behave.
So I'm going to take a quick short,
The tape is speaking.
see if I can get 10 more points in.
More supply than demand. That is a fact.
Can we get the 10 points? We're at 6 points.
Or was it his refusal?
Can we get the 10 or should I take it off? Nope, there we go. Come on, a little bit more.
Who is always right.
Can we get the
Be
10?
always right.
Can we get the
Trader who
10?
survives is the one who can admit quickly when he
A little bit more.
is on it. To say the market is never wrong.
Come on, come on, come
And
on.
then cut his loss.
Give me 10 points. Give me 10 points. There we go.
That is the difference between
10 points. I got my profits back.
Or do you excuses, reasons, explanations?
794 in the green for the day.
Understand me. I am not
The
saying
account's over 51,100.
it simply reflects the weight
I think I'm going to call that a day.
of that reflection is reality.
It's 10:22
Printed on the tape. That is,
a.m.
you may think it should be high.
You know, the market's only been open for not even 2 hours yet. I'm up 794 just with one $50,000 Apex account. It is a funded account.
Traders think of
I got this account funded in one of my previous videos. You can go back and watch that.
shows you an X-ray of a broken.
But it looks like we could just be in a range
Do not argue that the
for the rest of the day until we get the Fed stuff coming out later. Fed funds rate, Jerome Powell.
money than the statement.
The market will probably be extremely volatile right after that. I won't be trading around that time anyway.
And they deny it.
You know, 8:30 to 10:30 or 11, that's usually my time. That's when I find the best setups for the way I trade. So that's what I stick to. So I'm going to call it a day. I hope you found some value in this. I hope this kind of helps you with your trading. I've been trading for about 5 years, and I finally got the hang of it. I still have a lot to learn, but I am consistent now. So I just want to share what I've learned in those 5 years with my viewers. Leave me a comment below if you like these videos, if you want me to keep making them. If I don't get any feedback, then I may not keep doing them. I may just stick with short form content. But I know when I was first starting out, these are the kind of videos that I wish I could have came across, instead of just the ones where somebody shows you a strategy without the markets even being in real time live trades like these. You know, so on these I trade live, I record the whole process, I explain my thoughts and why I'm making decisions. So if you're serious about trading, this is what you need. So I just wanted to provide something that will help those people that are actually serious about this, that are actually going to try to do this full time and make money and stack money in their retirement accounts, trade futures, whatever your plans with trading. I just want to make sure I provide value to help those people so that they don't have to bounce around YouTube to 20 or 30 different channels all the time and trying to figure out who's legit and who's not. So leave me a comment, let me know if you like these videos, and I'll be making another video tomorrow once we see what the Fed does. I'm expecting more upside all across the markets. You know, on the NASDAQ and crypto, could we see a little bit of a pullback as soon as the news is released? Yeah, maybe. But over the next few months, I'm expecting a lot of upside all across the market. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you're into crypto, make sure you're subscribed. I post crypto updates every day or every other day, and I will continue to do so through the rest of this bull market. I think we still have a few months left in the crypto bull market. There's the biggest part of the money's yet to be made with the altcoins. So subscribe, and until the next video, peace out.